Hey, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. This is Neha, and in today's video what we are going to discuss is 9 novels that will help you a lot to improve your vocabulary, your fluency, or you must read those novels to begin reading. As you know, reading helps a lot to improve your vocabulary or your conversation skill. In today's video, what we are going to discuss is 9 novels that will help you a lot to improve your English speaking skills, or you can say to expand your vocabulary or your conversation skills while you're reading some interesting stories. So, as a beginner, and you want to start reading and you don't have interest in all genres and all, so you can begin with these 9 novels, and I hope that you will enjoy reading them. And it's not important to buy these books right now, and if you want to read, you can use your tablets or phones to read stories, and these are almost about 200 to 300 pages, maximum of 200 to 300 pages. So it's not condition outside that you should move around, because the disease is spreading all over the world. And in fact, e-readers and tablets make reading much easier, because if you don't know a word from novel, you have to search it on dictionary or Google. And if you are using a tablet or any e-reader, then you can just simply click on the word and you can find out the meaning of that word, or you can Google it. There are many apps too where you can read books like Kindle and many more, where you can add a separate area for your vocabulary and add new words there. And for better understanding of the text, you can do what? You can start reading, and side by side you can listen it too for your better pronunciation and for your vocabulary and conversation part too. So it's better to filhal read on tablets and phones and e-readers only. So without a further ado, let's rush into the video. And before rushing into the video, what you have to do is subscribe the channel and press the bell icon right next to it, and do like if you like the video, and do subscribe the channel. So let's start 9 novels that will help you a lot in improving your English skills. So the first book is The Wind in the Willows by Kenneth Grahame. With a short description, it's a classic tale with imaginative stories, which makes it more pleasurable for the adults and for children. So it is a good book to read. The second book on my list is Lord of the Flies by William Golding. This book is a modern classic, and it is generally read by the school all over the world, and it's prescribed in the school syllabus, and it's much more prescribed for the children. And Golding uses a very descriptive language and a very simple language, and he uses poetry too, which makes it much easier and much beautiful to read. And it makes though that you are in the scenes yourself and you imagine those stories. Third novel on my list is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway is already known by much of the children, and it's prescribed in the school syllabus. And he is well known for his clear and straightforward writing, which makes it much easier novel for the beginners to read. As the name in itself, The Old Man and the Sea. So it's a description of an old man who is trying to get over to the sea, and he's fighting in the sea and all. That's a description of the sea and the old man. So it's a good book to read, and as a beginner you can start with this one with an interesting story. Next book on my list is Animal Farm by George Orwell. This book is really a wonderful book. I have also read it, and I recommend you must also read this. And if you're just a busy person and don't want to read much more pages, so you can start with it. It's a choti si book, and it's an allegorical novel with full of animals, so you can start with it. George Orwell also had used this in a very simple language, so you can start with it, and it's really a wonderful book, so you must read. The next book is Tuesdays with Morrie by Mitch Albom. It's a book full of life lessons, and I haven't read it yet, but I will surely read it. And I think you must also read. And if you have already read this book, then you can comment down and tell me what the story is about, and so that I could generate some interest and read this book. The next book is High Fidelity by Nick Hornby. Do you like music? Then it is for you. It is a story of a conversation between one and the other person. The story keeps on moving with the musical tunes and the conversation between the one and the other person. So, if you are a music lover, then you can start with this. The next is The Giver by Lois Lowry. Laurie is a writer who usually use short sentences so that the person, the reader who is reading that novel, could connect with the words and can understand the meaning by himself. Laurie uses simple sentences and simple kind of grammar, so that the reader grabs attention, so that the novel grabs attention of the reader from the starting itself, and the reader likes the novel from the starting to the ending. The next is Fantastic Mr. Fox by Roald Dahl, or whatever you call it. And as the cover page describes, it's a story of a fox, and it's about children. So the children are much prescribed to read this book. Roald Dahl is considered one of the greatest children author, and is popular in adults too. And if you are just a beginner to start reading and you're not that much into novels, so you can start with this, because reading children novel is a better and a best way to start reading, because this is a kind of novel which is having exciting plots, so you can generate some interest by reading this kind of novel. And the novels for the children usually have exciting plots and fun dialogues, so you must start reading from these kind of novels only. And the last but not the least, The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Night Time by Mark Haddon. This is the story of the adventures of a young boy that he discovers the murder of the neighbor's dog, and he decides to investigate it. So it's a fun and exciting book which takes you to an intriguing journey, so you can start with it too. So these were the 9 novels that help you to read English and to understand it better as a beginner. So I hope that you will read at least one of them, or 2 of them, or 3 of them, or the whole of lot of books. This was all about today. Do comment that which book you will read from your tablets, or you are having that novel at your home, so you can read from there. But don't move around, because it's not the condition to move here and there, so you can read on your tablets and phones, etc. And do comment down which book you will read. We'll be soon back with a new video, new update, and a new topic. Till then, take care, stay tuned, and remain at your home. Take care. Bye bye.